Hey everyone, I'm Simone. Welcome to Mama Says. We're here to talk to you about Earth Day. And we have with us my dear friend Pragya, who is Earth Mama at her best right now. Now, for all of you that don't know, Pragya is trying to live a zero waste life at home. You are now known as as
the
girl-
waste collector.
Yeah, the waste
That
collector.
was called me Kachra Wali.
So how do you think we need to start in our process of eliminating, waste, and how do we live this zero waste lifestyle?
I honestly just started by changing my toothbrush, and I just announced it on Instagram that, you know what, I'm gonna try to make a conscious effort to be sustainable and to, be conscious about the environment around us. But I started to refuse stuff. So I started to refuse plastic packaging. So all my vegetables, all my dals, all my groceries, everything comes without any kind of packaging. Sounds difficult, but it actually is not. It actually became kind of a game because I have my 5 dustbins for plastic, for metal, for glass, and for paper, and for compost. So I have 5 dustbins, and then I have a very small dustbins for stuff that you can't recycle right now, which mainly is diapers for me. I use the bamboo ones, so they are biodegradable. But at the same time, it's not something that can be recycled. So that's the only waste we create in my house right now. 1 diaper at night. So
Wow.
that's it. That's all we create. Rest
Wow.
gets recycled.
So
or repurposed.
diapers, posed to be a massive, massive issue on Earth, right? At the same time,
850 years for 1 diaper to biodegrade.
850 years for 1 diaper.
How many do you use in a day?
Zephyr's almost he's almost 2.5 years old. He's still not potty trained.
Yeah.
He's not changing as many diapers, but Serena is changing numerous. She's changing a diaper every 3 hours.
So which is why I changed to bamboo. But at the same time, I'll give you an example. Like my older son, he refuses to walk on grass. Like, I will not walk on that, Mama. That's just weird. I used to never wear shoes growing up, man.
Yeah.
I was always climbing in trees. My son has still date not climbed a tree. Where do I take him to climb a tree?
Yeah.
So that connection with nature, that bond that we used to have, is not there anymore.
Yeah. So that is one thing that I have consciously put into Zephyr. Serena's too small.
Yeah.
But I've consciously maybe brainwashed Zephyr from the time he was a baby that you love nature.
Yeah.
You love plants. From the time he was in a stroller and going for a walk at 5 months, I would make him touch plants and touch the flowers, and sometimes he'll fall on the grass and he'll be like, "Chi." I'm like, no, it's not chi. Lie down on it. I'll force him to lie down. I'll make him look at the sky. It's about getting them to hug those trees and love the trees. And I feel like the only people who can evoke those emotions in them are the mothers, right? When you're ordering home delivery.
I don't order home delivery.
Yeah, now see.
I do. I won't say I do. I don't. We do very rarely order something in. But what we do is we recycle that.
We recycle it too. We wash it, we keep it. Everyone who ever
And we
wants food is
recycle
up and down from the house.
Another thing that I do, so there are certain places where we, order from quite on a regular basis. So let's say we're ordering from the office. Someone goes with a steel dabba and we collect it in the steel dabba and then we bring it back. So we are avoiding that packaging. So I'm just gonna tell you one thing, like all that compostable plastic that we see, all those compostable straws, they are only compostable if you do it in an industrial facility, which we don't have in India. So it makes no sense. It's the same as buying plastic because it's not gonna biodegrade by itself, just by lying on the street or, if you put it next to a tree. No, you have to actually compost. So that is something that I started at home as well. I started composting. And that's something my kids really enjoyed.
Has it been working out for you, the composting?
It was tough because the first time I did it, I got lots and lots of maggots. So it took us quite some time to just get a hold of it. We had to add a lot of neem oil and stuff, but you get there. And more importantly, the kids really enjoyed it.
It's a nice activity. It's a great activity for them.
So the idea came out of all the work I started. It was not something that I planned to. So it's something I wanted to do just to bring people closer to nature. And the idea is to plant trees in groups, go together with families, you know, with children, for them to touch and feel soil, because most kids still don't know what it feels like. You
Yeah,
know, just
absolutely.
touch and feel soil. So the idea is to bring people closer to nature, to help out with cleanups, help out with you know, tree plantations, putting together a sustainable way of developing this city. And we are focusing on the city simply because that's where we live, and we do need a big change in mindset. And I think if you present that to people, people will also come up to you showing that, you know what, can't we do this, can we do that, and you know, that's
And it's
the idea.
you know, honestly, like everyone in Bombay is always looking for fun things to do with their kids, and what do I do with my kids? You know, I'm fed up of the play areas, and there's barely any parks and this and that. This is such a fantastic activity to do, you know.
5 hours you have to look at. You have to take first refuse, reduce, repair, recycle, and then rot. Rot is all your composting that you can do. These are the 5 hours you should try to introduce to your life. Reduce being the most important one.
Yeah,
Yeah.
absolutely. You know, it's been a great conversation.
Thank you for having me. Please share this video with all your friends and all your mommy groups and all other groups, even daddy groups, all of them. Just share the video. Yeah.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and yes, what she said, please share this video with everyone. It's of utmost importance that people know, and yes, please share this video.
And press the bell icon.
See you next time, guys.